Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur IFC, Irving French Class. Aujourd'hui dans cette vidéo, nous allons étudier deux verbes très importants that both mean to know in English and that usually cause issues to learners, savoir and connaître. After reviewing their conjugation forms, we will see the differences between them and how to use them. As usual, we will also do some fun activities to revise and practice. C'est parti! So there are two verbs in French for to know in English. Yes, why not? One of them is probably among the first verbal forms that you guys have learned in French class. Je ne sais pas. Remember? Yes, I don't know. Je ne sais pas. So that was the verb savoir. So they both belong to the third group of verbs and are irregular. Here are their conjugation patterns in the present tense. And please note that for both, the pronunciation of the singular forms are the same. Let's cover them. Let's start with savoir. Je sais. Tu sais. Il sait. Elle sait. On sait. You see, singular forms pronounce the same. C'est. That's it. Nous savons. Vous savez. Ils savent. Elles savent. Alright, let's cover connaître now. Je connais. Tu connais. Il connaît. That's right. Elle connaît. On connaît. Nous connaissons. Vous connaissez. Ils connaissent. Elles connaissent. So, in terms of graphy, please note that for the il, elle, and on form, you can write connaît with the accent circumflex or with a dot. Both are fine. In the passé composite tense, they are both conjugated using the avoir auxiliary. Of course, they are not part of Dr. and Mrs. Van der Trump verbs. Their past participles are connu and su. So the conjugations are j'ai connu, tu as connu, il a connu, elle a connu, on a connu, nous avons connu, vous avez connu, ils ont connu, elles ont connu. For savoir is j'ai su, tu as su, il a su, elle a su, on a su, nous avons su, vous avez su, ils ont su, elles ont su. That's right. And the derivative reconnaître, to recognize, is of course conjugated like connaître. For example, j'ai reconnu ton frère, or in the negation, je n'ai pas reconnu ton frère. So now, how to use them and what are the differences between them? Well, connaître means to know. You know that already. In the sense of to be acquainted or familiar with. It cannot be used alone, whereas savoir can. So let's start with connaître. Connaître is very much used with people. Est-ce que tu connais Lucie? Je connais très bien ton père. With places, nous connaissons bien cette ville. Est-ce que vous connaissez un bon restaurant? With information, elle ne connaît pas mon numéro de téléphone. Ils connaissent son adresse. In the passé composite tense, connaître also can have the meaning of to meet. For example, j'ai connu Joël à l'école. Savoir also means to know, of course, in the sense of to have knowledge of a fact or to know by heart something, both as the result of having learned or studied. It can be used alone, je sais, with a noun referring to something learned. For example, les étudiants savent la leçon. What follows stresses the biggest grammatical difference between connaître and savoir. Ready? After savoir, there could be a verb. After connaître, it's absolutely impossible. No verb after connaître. So with savoir, Having a verb can happen with a clause introduced by que. For example, tu sais que je vais bientôt en France. So you use savoir here because there is a verb afterwards. Je vais, that's the verb that is coming after. So because of that verb, you need to use savoir. It's going to be the same for the following examples. After si, je ne sais pas si tu viens. Viens is the other verb. Because of that, you need to use savoir. Connaître is impossible here. With interrogative expressions like où, qui, comment, pourquoi. Simply because after these interrogative expressions, you will find a verb. Therefore, you're going to use savoir and not connaître. For example, ils ne savent pas où est le restaurant. Est-ce que tu sais qui a téléphoné? Nous ne savons pas comment aller chez toi. Vous savez pourquoi ils partent? Savoir can also be used with an infinitive. In that case, it means to know how to in English. For example, let's cover them together. Je sais nager. Elle sait jouer de la guitare. Unfortunately, sometimes both verbs can be used with facts or things learned. In such cases, the choice between the two verbs can be very hard. So, based on what we said on the uses of both verbs, try to figure out what is the difference between je connais la leçon and je sais la leçon. So, connaître is more about to be familiar with. So, je connais la leçon means that I know what it covers. Je sais la leçon means that I have learned it or studied it. Similarly, what is the difference between je connais la route pour Paris and je sais la route pour Paris? Can you figure this out? Well, we said that connaître is more about to be familiar with. So je connais la route means that I did it, that I took it already, that I did the experience of it previously. Je sais la route means that I have the knowledge of it. I learned it maybe through Google Maps or something like that. Alright, let's do an activity that will require to first choose the right verb and then conjugate it in the present tense. First sentence, je, Philippe. So savoir ou connaître? Philippe is a name. Connaître, that's it. So now you need to conjugate that in the present tense. Je connais Philippe. Perfect. A-I-S. Yes. Number 2, vous, que j'ai un chien. And that's a question. So savoir ou connaître? Savoir, and why? Because there is a verb afterwards. Vous savez, perfect. Vous savez que j'ai un chien? Alright, let's do number 3. Tu, cette personne. So personne, people, savoir ou connaître with people? Connaître. Tu connais cette personne. Perfect. Number 4. Nous ne, negation, nous ne pas, si ils vont venir. Do you have a verb after the blank? Yes. So, savoir ou connaître? Savoir, that's it. Nous ne savons, perfect. Nous ne savons pas s'ils vont venir. Number 5. Elle, quel est le meilleur restaurant? So, quel, what is quel? That's an interrogative expression, yes, that introduces a secondary verb, that's right. Elles savent, perfect. Elles savent quel est le meilleur restaurant. Number 6. Je ne pas, negation again. Comment il fait? Is there a verb? Yes. Savoir connaître? Savoir. You see, it's very easy right at the end. Je ne sais pas comment il fait. Elle, où j'habite. Verb, yes, savoir, connaître, savoir. Ok, so elle sait où j'habite. Number 8, elle, mon adresse. So that's an info. Is there a verb there? No, be careful. It's not because there is no verb that savoir is impossible. Okay? Connaître is a possibility. And here, that's an information. So connaître, you need to use. Elle connaît mon adresse. Once again, for the il, elle, on forms, you can write it with the hat, with the accent circumflex, or with the dot. That's fine. Same goes for the infinitive, by the way. Okay? With the hat or the dot. That's fine. Number 9. Nous, bien Paris. Info once more, places here, rather. Nous connaissons, nice, nous connaissons bien Paris. Number 10. Il, la route. Well, what verb is it? Savoir ou connaître? Or maybe both are possible here. It depends on what you want to say. Ils connaissent la route. Ils savent la route. Once more, ils connaissent la route. They did it before. Ils savent la route, so they have the knowledge of it through Google Maps or GPS or something. C'est tout pour cette vidéo. I hope that now vous connaissez or vous savez the difference between connaître and savoir. Which one would you use? Vous connaissez or vous savez? Well, after that video, both will make sense as you are now familiar with the difference and you have learned the difference. What you don't have a choice over is to give a like to that video and subscribe to the channel. À plus, à bientôt, ciao.